Okay, so I'm gonna just show you some things, and this is not the complete record, but just some things that are publicly listed for, let's start with Joe Pauly. Here's his birthday, 1991, his weight, his hair color, whatever. And the charges were for murder in the second degree, attempted murder for spouse or cohabitants. Okay. There's more, there was something in Eldon, Missouri as well, but there were several charges, but I don't know what it is. That's why I kind of freaked out. Police and crowd control. He gets arrested. I think this is for drunk and disorderly. At one point he hit a cop, but I didn't fault him that. It's kind of awesome. Okay. That's funny. I don't know if he said he didn't have a record or what, but I'm just showing you. This is public. I'm having to. Damn it. Here he is, little Pauly, drunk and disorderly. It's 2014, so during this. Remember I told you guys that he had been arrested, or at least I saw the cuff marks and it pissed me off? And then you probably said no, well, yes. And here he is again. What are you doing? This is in Iowa. Felony. Medivh, second degree. What is that? Serious misdemeanor. Another felony. This is where I was like, holy shit, what did you do? Why is there so much stuff? I really shouldn't laugh, but at some point you just kind of have to, because it just becomes ridiculous. Here he is again. Being drunk in public. You little fucker. Here's Joe out of prison. It's like the only time he's eaten in his life. Oh, he looks good. He got out of prison. I'm not laughing. Before I wanted to cry. And now I'm just like, it's hella funny though. I don't know. It's not funny. It's fucked up. But god damn it. Now let's move on to Pam. It's his mom. He just saw featured in the photo. I like adored these too. Yeah, this stuff, I don't know. Maybe it's because I was raised around criminals, but it just starts to become really fucking funny after a while. Here's Pamela Pauly. Okay. No mugshot, but here's this, and